Everyone talks about AI agents like they're magic. They're not. An agent is just a language model plus a few tools it can call. Today, you're going to build your first agent skill, a single tool your agent can use. And you can follow along right now. Here's the concept. A skill is just a function with a clear name and description. The agent reads that description, decides when to use it, and passes in the arguments. That's it. Let's build one, a simple weather checker skill. Step 1. Open your terminal and create a new Python file called skill.py. Step 2. Write a function named get_weather that takes a city name. Inside it, just return a hard-coded string like it's 72 degrees and sunny and plus the city. We're faking the data first, because getting the wiring right matters more than the API. Step 3. Add a docstring that says exactly what the function does. Returns the current weather for a given city. That docstring is what the agent actually reads to decide when to call your skill. Step 4. Register the function with your agent framework, whether that's the OpenAI SDK, LangChain, or a simpler tool loop. Then ask your agent, what's the weather in Tokyo? Watch it call your skill and answer. That moment, seeing the model choose your tool, is the whole game. Once it works with fake data, swap in a real weather API. Now you've got a genuinely useful skill. Here's the honest part. Nobody's paying you for a weather demo. But the pattern you just learned, define a tool, describe it clearly, let the agent call it, is exactly how people build real automations that businesses actually pay for. Learn this once, and you can build skills for anything. Reading databases, sending emails, summarizing documents. Your homework. Build one more skill today that does something you personally need. Comment what you built. Subscribe if you want to go deeper next time.